Ever felt like Excel is taunting you by making crucial options unavailable? Let's unlock those features and get you back in control. First, check if your sheet is protected. Head over to the Review tab, and if you see on Protect Sheet, click it. You might need a password if one was set. Next, let's address Compatibility Mode. Go to File, then Info. If you see Compatibility Mode at the top, click Convert to update the file format. This will enable many features that are limited in older formats. If the issue persists, add-ins might be the culprit. Go to File, Options, then Add-ins at the bottom. Manage add-ins and click Go. Uncheck any add-ins you don't need. Restart Excel and see if that resolves the problem. Lastly, let's look at Trust Center settings in Excel. Options, go to Trust Center. Then Trust Center settings, click on add-ins and make sure disable all application add-ins is not checked. Check trust access to the VBA project object model if needed. Click OK and restart Excel. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to fix most grayed out options in Excel and unlock its full potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.